This is concept number 1, which is identifying and using parts of a circle. And in this example, it says GJ is the diameter of circle K. Identify each arc as a major arc, minor arc, or semicircle. Then find its measure. So looking at my diagram, I'm given this angle right here. And because this is a central angle, and I know it's a central angle because the center, oh, I should have labeled this as circle K right here. Because the vertex of this angle is located on the center of the circle. And if the central angle is 122 degrees, then the arc measure from G to H is also going to be 120 degrees. Remember that all the way around the circle is 360 degrees. So this arc measure, it's just a part of that total 360 degrees. So because the arc measure from G to H is the same as the central angle, then it's also going to be 122 degrees. Now we're also, for each one of these arc measures, we're supposed to identify them as either a major arc, minor arc, or a semicircle. Major arcs are any arc measurement that is greater than 180 degrees. Minor is less than 180 degrees, and then the semicircle is 180 degrees. So just because this is less than 180 degrees, this is going to be identified as a minor arc. Alright, going to B, GLH, that arc of GLH. That is going from G to L all the way over to H. The other side of the circle, since we already did G to H for part A, part B is everything else on that other side. So because the entire circumference is 360 degrees, we're just going to subtract that known arc measure of G to H, which is 122, and we will get 238 degrees for GLH. Now, identifying that as a major arc, minor arc, or a semicircle, because that is greater than 180 degrees, this is going to be a major arc. Okay, and then the final one, GLH, going around this way on the circle, you go in that order, G, L, J. It actually is a semicircle. The diameter is created from G to J. So this is actually a semicircle, and every semicircle is going to be 180 degrees.